Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. People, are the attacking boss there, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And one thing I can say right now, my viewers and subscribers. A big thing I go on at Jamaica, my people. A crazy thing I go on at Jamaica, and my viewers and subscribers. Zine, no joke about it. Because right now, I go telling this, my people. Zine, you see, the police, them right now, my people, them a roll out deeper. Them a roll out more serious. Them a roll out more deadly, my people. So youth, una have to go no una do no we know. When me say no una go do, if you no want to live, una have to go make up on your mind. Is either live me I go live, or me I go dead right now, or me I go to prison. Zine, which me think the right road for uno is live. No joke about it, because life, you have one life, and life is the greatest. Prison, and no better roads. Jack Ray telling that. And death, boy, it a go come to all we know, but me think say, yo, we go and live until Jah ready for it. But when we come, some man a put our life out there on the front line in a battlefield. Jah sees, Jah knows, NEWLINK attacking boss. So now, my people, them a look a clip when I see while me attack about them people. I saw them a roll out right now. This is how the security forces are rolling out. These are the operations they are conducting across Jamaica, my people, especially in a volatile communities, my people. Zine, this is what going on now. And if you know, or you hear people, the new thing where them are come with the new gun law. Because them have a gun law thing from in the 60s people. And when me see it, I couldn't believe, say, the gun law where Jamaica have from in the 60s when I change my people up to date 2022. And me I said, Jah sees, Jah knows. And if you check from in the 60s come up to now, from about 67 my people, you know how much life gone. And maybe if then they come some and try to revise them thing, which me know so we have laws and things where we have to work with from over so and be this and that my people, we know easy. But if then they try to come some and change up some of them things from before my people, you know what I mean? Maybe few of them people that there today, you know. Me not gonna say all, but maybe few of them, see, because you know why them never do that and step in hard for do them thing and change up the people. You know what? We all know politics, because they are the one who was supplying them, and they were the one who was implementing these things, and I get the youth them, the strap them and that. You understand? A lot of them bring them in, the people for protect them turf and this and that, for when politics time come now, you understand them, do them thing and do them thing, the people, and that's it. Zine? So youth, as me are telling you, things are go different. Things, look now, and this is the law where them want to pass now, my people. Zine? The new law is, right? If them catch you with an illegal strap, you found guilty of that, my people. 15 years imprisonment without parole. So it's not like you can go come say, and them are going to cut you 15 to 7 like with them the night and day. And I like them and say, if you have good behavior, you go come out. See? So basically your life, you get, 15 years without parole. If them catch you with 1. If them catch you with over 3 are over. Remember, my people, 3 are over strap. Zine, 20 years. Zine, without parole. That's the punishment. And based on when me hear people, if them catch you with like say over 10, life and it done. Zine, it done. So youth, me know a lot of youth are them pie this, and me always say, yo, I go on. You know have them? Yeah. Sink them off, lock them off, but for walking at the street and I go so because I can't force and say, youth, bring in nothing them do this. No, because a lot of youth maybe want to bring in it, but them don't say once them bring in the people, I got them. Maybe them think them are going to go to prison, maybe them think this, them think that are while them go bring it, man, I go come for them, and you know, that a youth fear that way there. So me I say, youth, a different time now, put in your life first. And me know a lot of youth people, why them have them thing is to protect themselves from other youth. See, because as I say people, when I was looking at the statistics, people, most of the thing them what them say happen like with crime and murder, people, it a come from gang violence. So in a gang over there's a fame thing. You are not your enemy that you not go and left yourself empty. You understand? Because if you left yourself empty, you got pray so the next man go come for you, slap with you, your friend and your family them. So you have to stay protected. So I saw the thing I'll be now, my people. And this is why the thing it tough, it hard and it rough. But as I say, people, these law right now are where them are trying to get passed. It not fully passed at my people, but I heard that it's like 89.9% ready for pass. So once on this job, my people, and we see how much guns the police them are recovered off of the street them. Think about it, youth. 15 years away from your family. 15 years, you know. You see a 1 year take long for done. Imagine you are 50 now. When you are 30, you come out. Imagine you are 20 now when you are 35. Imagine you are 35 youth. And when you are 50, you know. For one, youth, think, you know. Think. Looking on yourself, looking on the life. If you now make some right choice now, because it's not a good look. Life are the greatest, yo. Remember saying, no man, out a road, the nice life there, you know. When we can go to the party and we can go dance and all the vibes, you know. When we can circle around the song, go link up to Catty and go all the vibes, you know, yo. When we can come so we want go get the best herbs that we want, you know. We have different choices, you know. We can drive, go up there, so go link with Squaddy up there, so go link with Bridging up there, so you know what the thing go, you know. But when we did this, so everything changed. When we want to eat this type of food, when we want to make them run-ins there, and you know, it's a different settings, man. So for me, life are the greatest, and you never know youth. A lot of youth get bust out of the system and they overseas, same way. They not for their big foreigners. Me I say, a lot of youth they in a different places. So, yo, youth, time, man, yo, come on, see the youth them living up. Once the youth them achieve things and make life. Youth, make a difference, man. Peace out. Big up. Enough love.